Welcome back to Prime Top 10, your ultimate destination for mind-blowing rankings. Today, we're diving into the realm of knowledge to unveil the top 10 mind-blowing science discoveries of the decade. From groundbreaking research to revolutionary breakthroughs, get ready to have your mind blown. Hey there, fellow explorers of the cosmos. I'm Top 10 Ranker, and I'm thrilled to be your guide on this exhilarating journey through the most astonishing scientific achievements of the past decade. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on an adventure that will challenge everything you thought you knew about the universe. So without wasting time, let's start our countdown. Discovery number 10. Kicking off our list at number 10, we have quantum supremacy. Imagine a world where a quantum computer performs a calculation in seconds that would take the fastest supercomputer thousands of years. Yes, you heard that right. Scientists have shattered previous limitations by achieving quantum supremacy. It's a game-changer that's sure to leave you in awe. Quantum computing can improve research and development, supply chain optimization, and production. For example, you could apply quantum computing to decrease manufacturing process-related costs and shorten cycle times by optimizing elements such as path planning in complex processes. Discovery number 9. Next up at number 9, get ready to have your reality warped with the discovery of gravitational waves. Picture this, ripples in the fabric of spacetime caused by cataclysmic events in the universe, such as black hole mergers. Unbelievable, right? But thanks to the brilliant minds behind this discovery, we're now one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe. From even the distance of the nearest star, gravitational waves would pass through us almost completely unnoticed. Although these ripples in spacetime carry more energy than any other cataclysmic event, the interactions are so weak that they barely affect us. Do gravitational waves affect time? Gravitational waves distort spacetime. They change the distances between large, free objects. Discovery number 8. At number 8, prepare to be transported to the cutting edge of innovation with CRISPR gene editing. Can you imagine a world where we can edit the DNA of living organisms with unprecedented precision? It sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but thanks to the relentless pursuit of knowledge, it's now a reality. And last year, a volunteer in New Zealand became the first to receive an experimental CRISPR treatment to lower her cholesterol. One of the scientists behind the work thinks the approach could potentially benefit almost everyone. CRISPR is also being explored for an inherited form of blindness. The question is CRISPR gene editing legal? Federal law prohibits the use of federal funds for research on human germline gene therapy. Germline gene editing is banned in the United States by acts of Congress, although there is no federal legislation that dictates protocols or restrictions regarding human genetic engineering. Discovery number 7. Coming in at number 7, we have the discovery of the Higgs boson particle, a true testament to the power of human ingenuity. From confirming the existence of the elusive Higgs boson to unlocking the secrets of mass in the universe, this discovery is rewriting the rules of science as we know it. In simple terms, the Higgs boson is the fundamental particle associated with the Higgs field, a field that gives mass to other fundamental particles such as electrons and quarks. A particle's mass determines how much it resists changing its speed or position when it encounters a force. Why is it called Higgs? What's so special about the Higgs boson? CERN. The particle that we now call the Higgs boson first appeared in a scientific paper written by Peter Higgs in 1964. At that time, physicists were working on describing the weak force, one of the four fundamental forces of nature, using a framework called quantum field theory. Why is Higgs boson important? It makes the existence of matter and interactions as we know them possible, and it is responsible for the appearance of the mass of all known elementary particles. Without the Higgs field, and thus without the Higgs boson, there would just be no atomic elements, no stars, and no life in this universe. Discovery number 6. At number 6, get ready to have your perceptions shattered with the identification of the first ever black hole image. From capturing an image of the unseeable to providing unprecedented insights into the nature of black holes, this discovery is paving the way for a future filled with endless possibilities. This image originally released in 2019, the unprecedented historic image of the supermassive black hole at the center of the galaxy Messier 87 captured an essentially invisible celestial object using direct imaging. Jean-Michel is the first person who imagined the black hole. But it does not increase the pull of gravity far away from the mass. When Jean-Michel conceived of black holes in 1783, very few scientists in the world were mentally equipped to understand what he was talking about. Discovery number 5. Halfway through our list, we have the discovery of water on Mars, a groundbreaking achievement that's sure to leave you speechless. Picture liquid water flowing beneath the surface of the red planet. It's a testament to the power of human curiosity and the boundless potential of scientific exploration. Almost all water on Mars today exists as ice, though it also exists in small quantities as vapor in the atmosphere. The question is that can humans live on Mars? The answer is. To live on Mars, we would need technology to protect us from radiation, supply breathable air, and provide warmth. Scientists and engineers are exploring solutions such as building habitats underground or using Martian soil to shield against radiation. Does it rain water on Mars? Answer of this question is. When ice melts, it sublimates directly into gas, and when water vapor condenses, it turns directly into ice. Hence, no rain. It does snow on Mars, however. The snow is mostly made of solid carbon dioxide, though some water ice is present as well. Discovery number 4. Coming in at number 4, prepare to be amazed by the breakthrough in immunotherapy. Immunotherapy is treatment that uses a person's own immune system to fight cancer. Immunotherapy can boost or change how the immune system works so it can find and attack cancer cells. A scientific breakthrough that's rewriting the textbooks. From harnessing the body's immune system to target and destroy cancer cells to revolutionizing cancer treatment, this discovery is pushing the boundaries of our understanding of the natural world. Immunotherapy uses our immune system to fight cancer. It works by helping the immune system recognize and attack cancer cells. You might have immunotherapy on its own or with other cancer treatments. Immunotherapy is a standard treatment for some types of cancer. Discovery number 3. At number 3, we have the discovery of the CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing tool, a game-changing advancement that's capturing the imagination of scientists worldwide. Can you imagine a tool that allows us to edit genes with unprecedented precision? It's a paradigm shift that's sure to inspire future generations of researchers. As a gene editing tool, CRISPR/Cas9 has revolutionized biomedical research and enabled medical breakthroughs. CRISPR/Cas9 edits genes by precisely cutting DNA and then harnessing natural DNA repair processes to modify the gene in the desired manner. A question arises here: why is CRISPR a powerful tool? The answer is. CRISPR can be considered as the strongest genetic editing tool that is invented in human history, because it enables scientists to edit any genome in any organisms. Thus, some ethicists concern about the consequences of CRISPR overuse in editing human genome. Can CRISPR be used on humans? Answer is. In the past few years, researchers have utilized CRISPR-Cas tools to edit genomes in almost all organisms including human cells, primates, mice, zebrafish, Bombyx mori, and tiny microorganisms. Discovery number 2. Nearing the top of our list at number 2, we have the identification of exoplanets, a revolutionary achievement that's reshaping our understanding of the cosmos. From discovering thousands of planets beyond our solar system to searching for signs of extraterrestrial life, this discovery is expanding the horizons of human knowledge like never before. It's a technique known as transit spectroscopy, when light from a star travels through the atmosphere of an orbiting planet and reaches our telescopes, in space or on the ground, and tells about where it's been. Using astrometry, exoplanets can be found by measuring tiny changes in the star's position as it wobbles around its center of mass. The difference between the radial velocity and astrometry methods is how we look at the exoplanetary systems. The transit method has also the advantage of detecting planets around stars that are located a few thousand light-years away. The most distant planets detected by Sagittarius window eclipsing extrasolar planet search are located near the galactic center. Discovery number 1. As a number 1 discovery, we have the remarkable regeneration of axolotls. Imagine a creature that can fully regenerate its limbs, spinal cord, heart, and even parts of its brain. This incredible ability belongs to the axolotl, a salamander native to Mexico. Scientists have been studying these amphibians for years, unlocking the secrets behind their extraordinary regenerative powers. This discovery not only sheds light on the potential for regenerative medicine but also offers fascinating insights into the mysteries of biological regeneration. Bonus discovery. And for an additional mind-blowing discovery, we have the quantum entanglement teleportation. Picture this, the ability to instantaneously transfer the state of one particle to another, regardless of the distance separating them. This phenomenon, known as quantum entanglement teleportation, defies the laws of classical physics and opens the door to a world of possibilities in quantum communication and computing. With this discovery, scientists are delving deeper into the mysteries of quantum mechanics and paving the way for futuristic technologies that were once only seen in science fiction. Quantum teleportation is the transfer of an unknown quantum state over long distances. This process requires entanglement and therefore cannot be simulated with classical channels. In practice, a single particle has many degrees of freedom, forming a complex quantum state. Human teleportation is an amazing prospect, but will teleportation, as seen in Star Trek, ever be a real possibility? It's always risky to say, no, never. But it has to be said that teleportation is extremely unlikely. Well, there you have it, all the top 10 discoveries. The top 10 mind-blowing science discoveries of the decade, brought to you by Prime Top 10. Which discovery blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below. And subscribe for more interesting rankings, and remember, the pursuit of knowledge knows no bounds. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.